Hello, in front of me I've got Huawei Nova 11. In this video I'll show you how to manage Huawei wallet. In the beginning, make sure that you are connected to your Huawei ID and then go to Huawei wallet. Agree. Allow. And from the homepage, you can manage your loyalty cards, coupons and gift cards. Also, you can add them. If you go to Me, you've got access to your Huawei account, Huawei points, settings, check for updates and about. If you go to your Huawei account, you can manage your payment and purchases, where you can add payment card. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.